Hopes that Politburo member Konaev had arrived as an icebreaker were soon dashed, and a meeting with Japanese Foreign Minister Shintaro Abe only demonstrated just how far apart both sides are. Konaev warned the Japanese of siding too closely with Washington. Abe, on the other hand, reminded the Soviets of their bad track record in recent years. In the end, both delegations put on a brave face and concentrated on minor matters that could have been handled on a lower diplomatic level. The meeting with Prime Minister Yasuhiro Nakasone didn't bring much progress either. Nakasone repeated the Japanese demand for the return of disputed islands. The simple answer was that the Soviet Union had no excess territory to spare. But Konaev did offer the release of 13 Japanese fishermen who'd been captured near the disputed islands by Russian trawlers. Otherwise, the meeting brought little to smile about, and Nakasone echoed his guest's bluntness, saying it was a pity that ties between the two countries remained very cold.